Hello, welcome to Work Smarter, Not Harder. RepSpark's Retailer 101 and new brand meet and greet. My name is Claire Nash, and I'm a senior account manager at RepSpark. We welcome you to our reoccurring webinar where we dive into enhancing your buying experience. We hold these webinars once a month to help you stay ahead of the curve with our bite-sized videos crafted to deliver valuable information at the speed of your business. Today, we will review how to request multiple brands in the community and shop platform-wide versus from one individual brand link. But before we go into our Retailer 101 portion, let's meet one of our new brands on RepSpark. I would like to introduce you to Joe Ciafardoni, COO, CFO, co-founder of Palm Golf. Joe, please introduce yourself.
Hi, everyone. Thank you so much, Claire, for the introduction. But yes, Joe Ciafardoni, co-founder, co-owner of Palm Golf Co. I appreciate your time today. Today, I just wanted to go over a little bit about Palm's background, keep it brief, but we are a lifestyle and accessories apparel brand headquartered in Huntington Beach, California, started in 2017 via Kickstarter, self-funded, bootstrapped the business, and have continued to grow it. Palm's a brand. We're rooted in golf. We create highly functional, premium quality goods. We are an e-commerce provider sending product throughout the US as well as Canada. We have sent e-commerce orders to other countries as well, an initiative that we're looking to open up in the near future as we continue to grow. But Palm also has larger wholesale partners such as Worldwide Golf, Dick's Sporting Goods, Golf Town, and others. We're a brand that's been spotlighted in the golf industry throughout major media such as Golf Digest, golf.com, as well as being named a top provider and lifestyle glove of the year by My Golf Spy, who is an industry peer review industry for specifically to golf accessories and technology. Most importantly, though, Palm is an official partner of St. Jude. We have a collection of golf goods that we make using the children's artwork that is then all proceeds after sales or cost of the goods are then donated to the hospital, as well as being an SCGA Junior Golf Foundation sponsor and their title sponsor for their annual event, which directly helps those kids and juniors raise money to be able to play this game. So very fortunate to be part of that initiative. And we take great pride in our ability to be able to contribute, not just selling product, but being rooted in golf, especially in our own backyard. So today, however, I'd like to use the time to just share some more about how we provide value to our partners through corporate events, outings, as well as merchandising and shops specifically. Briefly, Palm offers at-once orders through RepSpark. Unlike some other brands, we currently do that with no minimum order quantities to help with product testing, be an option for fill-in orders, and fulfill our at-once orders in 48 hours or less currently. We currently have over a 90% reorder rate with the customers who do decide to test their first order with Palm. For pro shops or events, we are able to add embroidery to any of the product available in RepSpark as well, again, with no minimum and a typical setup fee of around $50 to get the logo digitized, and then $5 per logo application onto the product. Just had a couple quick examples of some of the product we've done in the past for reference. These orders take approximately 2 weeks to complete from the day that the logo and the SOA is approved. So relatively quick turn times. We like to pride ourselves on ease of use, good communication. You'd be working directly with one of the owners of the company. So again, we really do pride ourselves on the customer service and the experience being as smooth as possible. Along with the quick turn embroidery programs, we also have fully customizable product offerings as well, and have worked with partners such as Diageo, Pepsi, the Genesis Invitational for their Pro-Am, and more to provide specially curated product as well. And at the end of this presentation, I'll have a quick QR code for you to scan so that you can see sort of all the full custom program that we have, all the different ways that we can curate this product. And again, some detail about the minimums for any of this style. QR codes are here. My email address is there as well. Tried to keep it as brief as possible, but if there's any questions, anything at all that I can help with, I've included my email address. I would love an opportunity to work with anyone. And again, I just sincerely appreciate your time today, hearing a little bit more about the brand. So thank you so much again for the opportunity, Claire.
Thank you so much, Joe. That was really great information. We really appreciate you joining today.
Thank you.
So thank you again to the whole Palm Golf team. Now let's jump into the webinar designed to help you with the basics, what we call our Retailer 101. After this short presentation, we will have a live Q&A session. You can ask any questions you'd like, enter them in the chat at any time. So thank you and enjoy our short videos. Today I'm going to review requesting access from a direct URL. You can always request access via the community page, but when a brand gives you their direct URL within RepSpark, this is what it looks like. So I have been given the URL to Seal Beach Swim, and I am going to go ahead and try to log in. So I am already a RepSpark user, but let's check and see if I have not been approved from this site yet. So what I'm going to do is I put in my email, and I need to make sure I add my website, and you need to add verticals. So since I'm already a user, I have already added these verticals, but to add a vertical, you just write fashion, all, and you can give a category, subcategory, all. We also ask other brands sold at your store, and then you have to agree terms and conditions and request access. So that is how you request access to a brand. Today, we will be reviewing one of the most commonly asked questions from retailers. How do you shop multiple brands on RepSpark? So you might be used to just logging into the one brand in particular. For example, L-Space, Stance, Johnny O. If you're used to just logging onto their site, you might never make it to the RepSpark homepage. So we're going to show you a different way today of how to log into RepSpark and the ways to shop all of our brands via the community. So if you have not yet requested access to the community, you are going to go to our homepage at repspark.com and click the retailer button. All you need to do is join the RepSpark community and enter your email. So now for today, I am going to log in as a buyer retailer, and I have already been approved for the RepSpark community. So even if I was used to only shopping on Peter Millar or one of our brands, I'm now going to have access to all brands on RepSpark. So let me go ahead and log in, and I'm going to enter my buying account. I am a buyer at Coco Swim Shop, and I am going to go ahead and log in. So now I am directed directly to my retailer dashboard. We have reviewed this in previous videos, but this is how you can access, now that you've been approved to the community, multiple brands on RepSpark. So in the retailer dashboard, you can see our featured brands, new brands, and then most importantly, your order history. So any order that you've placed site-wide on RepSpark will be viewable in the retailer dashboard in the order history section. So now a quick view of our top bar right here. So we have our retailer dashboard. We have the My Brands tab. My Brands is all brands that I have already been accepted to. Now, new brands. These are new featured brands on RepSpark, and you can request access anytime. We also have a section called trending brands. And as a reminder, all you do is click the green connect button, and then the brand will receive an email saying that you would like to request access. Then we have the all brands section, and then we have another section that shows stores with microsites. So now let me go ahead and go back to RepSpark and actually just the main RepSpark community page. So I also as well can see my featured brands, my new brands, trending brands, recommended brands, and what I wanted to point out is pending brands. So pending brands is when you have request access to a store and they have not approved you yet. So I requested access to Booyah Golf USA, and I requested access 21 days ago. All I have to do is send a quick reminder and they will get another email. But this is a quick overview of how to shop multiple brands from our community tab in RepSpark. Thank you all for joining today. Please use our QR code on the screen to leave feedback for us of any topics you'd like to see in upcoming webinars. We will be sending you a recording of today's webinars and instructions on how to access additional resources on RepSpark. We also have all of these videos on our YouTube channel for quick reference for you and your team. We hope to see you at our next webinar. We will be taking the month of July off. We will be back in August for our next webinar, and we hope to continue to maximize your buying experience on RepSpark. So I don't see any questions today, so we will most likely be wrapping this up. If there are any questions, please enter right now. But I'd like to again thank Joe at Palm Golf. He gave us some great information about his brand and some of their initiatives. So thank you all for joining today and have a great summer.